I have found a crochet store in Kuta, Lombok, so let's go visit it. Just follow the chicken. Actually, this is just right outside of Kuta, Lombok proper. And it's called, where is this? Ah! Mia Mia Crochet. Oh, right. Cute little bags. Loving the bags. More lovely bags. Got little purses. But here's the cool thing. If you are in Lombok, in Kuta, this is your yarn supply. But if you've got to knit or crochet, you've got to knit or crochet. So here's some yarn. And then you can get some inspiration. Look at these little thick knit bags. How clever. Hats. Oh, and then we got the little purses here. Hello, selamat sore. Anda Mia? Ah, nice to meet you. I'm making a video, okay? Yeah?